Hello everyone. I hope you all are well. I want to thanks to all of you for viewing my video, liking and commenting on them. Continuing the series of this training, we are going to study some specific fields in Tableau that are used basically to gather the similar attributes and values together. Hence, today's topic is about hierarchy, groups and sets in Tableau. But before understanding the concepts of these topics, kindly subscribe to UNT channel and don't forget to like and comment on this video. Many of you might be thinking that why I am relating these topics together. So I want to tell you that many times in analysis, we want to keep our data in such a way that similar liking, similar ages or similar requirement people needs to be analyzed together. Hence, it means those have some similarities on the behalf of any feature. We want to keep those fields together so that later during analysis, we can analyze or differentiate our insights for all of them together. For performing this, we have three different tools in Tableau depending upon the requirement of the case. Where the first one we have is hierarchy. If we have the unique attributes that are the part of same detail, then these attributes can be kept in hierarchy manner, where all these attributes would be connected with one another according to their level of detail. For example, if we have the data of geographical location, then by assessing region attribute, we can know about various continents of the globe. Similarly, continent have the data of various countries and each country have many states in it. And similarly, every state have many cities under it. So we can see here that all these attributes shares one same feature of geographical location, but all of them have different level of detail too. Now, if all these attributes kept in hierarchy, then by picking on this geographic hierarchy field, we can detect and analyze easily about all continents and countries in India. Further, by drilling the hierarchy, it would help to find states and cities for particular geographical area. So, using hierarchy, we can combine our data of different level of detail in organized manner using its drill up and drill down features. Remember, in Tableau, date field is the only field that is by default a hierarchy, as date can be seen as a year and can be drilled down as a quarter, further in months and in days. You can see here there are grandparents, and by drilling down the grandparents we can get the parents, and by further drilling down parents we would get the children. So you can see all of them are from the same family and are sharing same family name, but everyone would have different level of details too. So using hierarchy we can easily analyze their data together, and we can also analyze them at different levels also. As if we need to analyze the total family income for the family, then we need to drill up all the levels and would get the result collectively, and then the total family income is 4 lakh. But when we have drilled down the data, then the values would be shown for each generation, and then grandparents have 2 lakh per month income and parents have 1 lakh per month income, but children have zero income. So hierarchies are best used here to combine attributes where we need to analyze data with varying level of details. After hierarchy, the next field we have is grouping. Groups are used to combine related members in a field. So values in attribute, if need to kept together, then we can group them together and the group created would become a new field in data. In Tableau, we have a paperclip icon for representing groups. As you can see here, we have random people in this picture. But if we want to keep them in some structured group, then we can create group according to ages for these people, and they all would be grouped together according to the ages, where the top left corner is of the people having ages above 40. In right, we have the group of people having age between 16 to 40, and below we have the group of people having age below 16. So in analysis, if we need to analyze data on the basis of some similarities, we can create various groups of data. Every group would be distinct in nature, and hence every group have discrete elements and would present in dimension block of Tableau. Similarly, if we want to create group from this data according to gender, then same gender people would be grouped together, and now we can distinguish these people on the behalf of their gender. Hence, grouping would be used whenever values from one attribute needs to be divided among various groups. After grouping, we have sets, and sets are similar to that of groups, but they hold subset of data according to certain conditions. In sets, the data that matches the condition would go in one set, and the data that does not matches the condition goes in other set and called as outset. Again, if random data of people is given and we want to create set for those people who are male, then group of male would be created, and all the values that have gender as male would be in the set, and those are female would be out of the set. And similarly, if we create set on the condition of female, then female group would be in the set and other would be out the set. So sets as similar in groups would create distinct group, but every value in the field would either shift towards in the set or out of set. As for your brief recap, hierarchy would combine the attributes together in order of their detail. Hierarchy would be used when data needs to be analyzed again and again for various level of details. Hierarchy is created for dimensions only. Groups combine related members or values of single attributes together and creates a new discrete field. Groups are used when we need to show the aggregation in analysis for any attribute. And groups can be created with dimensions or measures, but result would always be a dimension only. Sets keep the subset of data based on some condition in a new field. Sets are used when we need to show any intersection, union, and minus operation to be performed between two set of values. Sets are always created with dimensions. So, this was some basic information about hierarchy, groups, and sets. Kindly like and share your valuable feedbacks in comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe UNT channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. In our next video, implementation of hierarchy, groups, and sets would be explained. Till then, stay safe, take care, and thank you.